Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Let's Cook with Elle. I just wanted to upload this video again just to clarify something. This is Biteku Teku and not spinach. Sorry if I confuse any of you guys. So you can buy this at a Congolese food store or some African food stores. So they usually sell it frozen in a packaging like this, known as Biteku Teku, amarante or amaranth leaves. So thank you so much for those that watched that video, asking the questions as well as answering. Yeah, this is Biteku Teku and the leaves are much tougher than spinach. So if you want to purchase it, you should be asking for Biteku Teku. So I hope you enjoyed this delicious and easy recipe, and I hope you try it. Please don't forget to give it a like, comment, share and subscribe. So enjoy. So guys, to make this, I've got here some salt, 2 cloves of garlic, some seasoning cubes. I've got 3 different colors of bell peppers. I'm using half of each, and I've got half of red onion and yellow onion. I'm using green Scotch bonnet, guys. This is optional. Chopped in tomatoes, vegetable oil. I've got this fish which is skinless and boneless. I've got it from the supermarket, guys. For those of you guys that live in a different country and different city that you can't get hold of like a proper African fish, you can get this from the supermarket. This is called Pollard fillets, so it's skinless and boneless. It's frozen. You can buy it frozen from a supermarket. So yeah guys, so this fish, this is how it comes. So I just cut it into pieces, as you can see. So this is how it looks like. It goes well with so many things and it tastes so good, trust me. Give it a try. You can get it from your local supermarket at the frozen section. So I've got 1 pack of Biteku Teku here. This is ready cleaned, washed and ready to be cooked. So guys, that is it. For more information, please see the description box below. Measurements will follow up throughout this video. So let's get started. Guys, believe me when I tell you, yeah, this is one of the easiest that you can make. Especially if you don't have a lot of time, you just want to make something quick for you and your family. Guys, you can make this in no time, as I said. So this fish, they removed the majority of bones. I'm saying majority because I don't think everything's gone, because I've tasted some bones on it, but it's good enough. It's good enough. It's skinless and then it's just ready, guys. And you can make some delicious dishes with this, so you don't have to clean it or do all sorts of things. So yeah, as I said to you, this is how it was. So I just chopped it into pieces, and here you go, guys. What I'm doing here is just adding pretty much everything. So you got some seasoning cubes here, add some salt. Bear in mind I don't have the heat on at the moment. So as you can see here, I chopped onions and bell peppers as well as garlic, and I'm gonna add everything in there. I just chopped it a box standard size as always, guys, and as well as the garlic in there. And I'm gonna add chopped in tomatoes. I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. I'm going to add water just above the food, so I want it to be on the same level as the food. So that's what I'm doing. Just move everything around so it doesn't trick me. And yeah guys, just add it on the same level pretty much. And I'm going to add my Scotch bonnet. Turn on that heat on high and close the lid. And close the lid, leave that to cook. But do check on it every now and then. Give it a stir if it needs to, and if the water dries out, you can add some more water. As I always say, guys, make sure you taste your food and see if you need to add anything. If you need to add some salt or anything you think that's missing, you can do so. This is how you get better at cooking. Yeah, it's important to taste your food along the way and check on it every now and then, and it should be fine. So I'm leaving this for about 30 minutes and then we'll come back and see what's going on. So guys, it's been 30 minutes. What I'm going to do is add a bit of water because the spinach is still it's not soft yet. So added some water just to bring it up a bit. So when you're adding water, make sure it's not too much. Like, make sure it's like you can still see the spinach, and you can also, as I said, you can also taste it and add some salt if you need to. So leave this on high heat for 15 minutes and it should be done. And there you go, guys. Very easy, very delicious, and super yummy. You can eat this with so many things. I'm gonna eat mine with semolina fufu. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat it. I've been waiting for this moment for a very long time. It's just so delicious and so yummy, so authentic and full of goodness, guys. Yeah, guys, it's very easy, right? And absolutely delicious, guys. So if you want your leaves to be softer, then what you can do, you can leave it to cook for a little bit longer. As I said, you can add water every now and then, salt if it needs to, but that is it for me. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll speak to you all on my next one. Bye bye.